Dr. Siegel says that on medication you're stable. No hallucinations, no nightmare. If you take your prescribed medication, you can leave.
I'd rather leave and pretend to be something I'm not.
Welcome to Sword and Cross Academy.
He has no idea what he's in for. Did you come for your books? Still missing one. It's in special collections. Hey, wait. You seem really familiar to me. Like I know you from somewhere. Is that possible?
No.
You got it bad, huh? Everything's connected to Daniel somehow.
What's wrong?
I just can't get past it. There is something between us. There's just something not quite right about that whole group. I have full access to everybody's academic records. I looked at Daniel's file. It's empty. I don't believe the statue was an accident. She needs some protection. I remember this. My whole life, people have told me that I'm crazy. Let's see if they're right. How is this possible?
We've been in love for thousands of years.
You didn't tell her?
There's this curse. We fall in love, and then all it takes is a kiss, and she's gone.
You will die.
There's a natural order to things. You can't just do as you please.